Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Often made in winter, dried radish is also known as cai pu, and it plays an important role in Hakka cooking. To make cai pu, cut up radish and leave it in a cold, dry place. After it's completely dried, put it into a jar. People say that cai pu that has been stored for several decades helps cool down the body and can even cure sore throats.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
All this month, we're talking about the building blocks of Hakka cuisine. So let's see what Leo has to say today.
今天呢要教大家就是蘿蔔乾，
蘿蔔乾，
是
对不对
的，就是萝卜干。
That's right. 我就想说，你都还没有介绍萝卜干，该介绍萝卜干了，因为我好喜欢萝卜干，你知道为什么吗？
为什么？
因为有一道美食叫做菜包能，是我的最爱。
菜脯卵，
菜脯卵 That is the dried radish omelet, one of my favorite dishes here in Taiwan. 所以菜脯就是萝卜干嘛，对不对？
錯啊。
哦，你刚刚说怎么说Hakka菜脯？
菜脯，
菜脯 Okay, that's one way of saying the dried radish or 萝卜干。
虽然说同样都是萝卜做的，但它有不同的形态。
哦，真的吗？
做法也不一样，
Okay.
吃法也不一样。
So there are different ways to make this. 所谓不一样的做法的意思是，
就是我们刚刚讲的蘿蔔乾，它是切成一块一块的去晒干的。
Okay, that's right. Okay.
那还有一种叫做蘿蔔絲，
蘿蔔絲哦，
就是一丝一丝的。
哦，
那
螺丝
你在
起子那种
不是
萝卜絲是萝卜丝啦，
萝卜丝啦，那个在那个菜包里边。
So it actually comes in different shapes and forms. Like what Leo just said is the shredded dried radish, 就是萝卜丝。Okay, 所以有萝卜干，有萝卜丝，
还有
还有什么？
萝卜切，
萝卜切，完全听不懂是什么形状。
就是好，你就想像硬币一样圆圆的。
哦，真的是钱啊！
不是啦，它是萝卜去切成一片一片，还有整个萝卜嘛，切成一片片，它是圆的，
对，
圆的把它晒干，
就看起来像钱币嘛。
是啊，
所以才叫萝卜钱嘛。
对，萝卜切。
萝卜钱 Okay, so it is the coin-shaped dried radish. 那这个的话，通常你说在什么地方会用到？
我们会把它煮排骨汤。
So this is actually a great ingredient for soup. 做汤的时候就是要比较大块一点，这样子才有味道。So again, that's the coin-shaped dried radish. So there are so many different usage with the dried radish, whether it's used in omelets, you want to put it in meat buns, or cook it in soup, you can all use the dried radish. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.